Pragyan Kids channel. It's me, Prana.
And it's me, Gyan.
Today, we're gonna do another really cool science experiment. In this experiment, we're gonna make a balloon inflate on its own. Do you think that can happen?
Yes.
So yes, it will happen and we're gonna show you guys how to do it. So Gyan will read the materials we need and I'm gonna keep them ready.
We'll need citric acid,
Citric acid,
baking soda, balloon,
I have 2 balloons right here,
test tube,
a test tube,
beaker,
a beaker,
spoon,
a spoon,
water.
That's it? Yes. So I wanted to tell you guys that we have another variation in this experiment, that instead of citric acid we can also use vinegar. So you might have vinegar at home, right? So you can try this out if you want. So I'm going to have vinegar too. So what's the first step? So the first step is we're going to open the balloon and add 2 spoons of baking soda inside. Okay, can you keep the book down? I need your help. Yes. No, you're going to put it in and I'm going to keep the balloon open. 2 spoons. Take like really powdered baking soda. Yes, that's 1 spoon.
Is it gonna fall down?
Yeah. Okay, now drop it inside. Yeah. Okay. So yes, so we put the baking soda inside. What's the second step? Can you read it out?
Okay. We need test tube
Okay, I'm gonna take the test tube.
and 50 ml water.
15 ml water. I'm gonna pour 15 ml right now.
I'm putting it down.
Yeah. Okay. This is 15 ml water.
And 2 spoons citric acid.
Citric acid. Okay, can you hold the test tube? So this is citric acid. I'm gonna take 2 spoons of it. Keep it down. Okay, should we mix it? Mix, yes, we have to mix it. I'm mixing the citric acid with water.
With the balloon.
Okay, now the next step, we're gonna fit the balloon. The balloon is here and it's supposed to lift the balloon. I want you to hold the test tube. Okay, careful. Okay, leave it and I'm gonna lift the test tube. Yes guys, the balloon can inflate on its own. And you can see that there are many bubbles right here. These are carbon dioxide bubbles. Yeah, I have to hold it here too. These are carbon dioxide bubbles. And now there's a reaction going on. Show them the tube. There's a reaction going on. And this reaction makes carbon dioxide gas come up to the balloon and the balloon is inflated. That's the science behind. And now we have the second variation, and for this variation I've already taken a balloon and we have 2 spoons of baking soda inside the balloon. And for this variation, instead of citric acid and water, we're gonna use 15 ml of vinegar. So I have 15 ml of vinegar right here and I'm gonna add it inside the other test tube that I have. So yes, we're gonna do the same thing here also. She's gonna hold the test tube and I'm gonna put the baking soda balloon on top and we're gonna lift it. It gave like an explosive reaction, but the balloon has not inflated that much. Yes guys, you can try at your home to see if it works for you. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more interesting videos, please subscribe to Pragyan Kids channel. Bye!
Bye.